Okay, let's take a look at one more option here, and this would be the length option. Okay, and what they're talking about with length is what they're defining is the length of the chord. Okay, a chord is defined as a straight line connecting the start point and the end point of the arc. So for example, if I go and I draw a line here from the start point to the end point of the arc, I can see here that my dimension is 2. The same would also be true if I go from start point to end point of this arc. My chord length is also 2. But you notice I have two very different size arcs here. Let's take a look at how this works. Okay, so I'm going under the arc draw pull down, and I'm going to start center length. Specify the start point of the arc. Okay, so I'm going to grab here for my start point, the center point, and again think about the arc as being a portion of the circle, right? So my center point is over here, not the midpoint of the arc. Okay, specify the length of the chord. I'm going to type in 2. Okay, that gives me the minor arc. That's the shortest of the two arcs. Okay, let's try the other option. Start center length. Again, specify the start point, which would be here. Specify the center of the arc. Again, think center of the circle of the portion of the arc. Okay, and now I'm going to type in a -2. Okay. A positive chord length gives you the smallest possible arc with that length. That's the minor arc. Okay, and the minor arc is less than 180 degrees. A negative value for the arc length results in the largest possible arc, also known as the major arc. And this arc is greater than 180 degrees. And this is also shown in your arc handout. The last portion on here with this continue really just lets you continuously draw an arc from an endpoint, okay, and it's really only giving you the option to specify the endpoint. So go ahead and try those.